So this is how you can change the date on photos on the iPhone. So this is how it works. Let's get started. And if you're new on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you never miss anything. So obviously you can open up your Photos app on the iPhone or just capture a picture through the camera. It will be saved in the gallery too, but just get to the pictures and I want you to swipe up on it to access the additional information about that image. So you'll see like the caption which might be added or the lens information and the size, resolution, but also naturally the time and a date of the shot, right? So you can see that there is a little adjust button next to it. So you can click it and it will literally let you change the date and the time for that picture. So it shows you the original one, which cannot really be changed, but you can choose something else in the adjusted, right? So you can literally just go back in the time, choose the month, year, even a time zone, right? So plenty of different options, but you can literally come up with any time you want, and it will be the time, the newly added, change the date of the photo. So make sure to click on adjust in the top right corner to confirm it, and that is how you would be able to change it. Keep in mind, however, that if you don't even want to show the history or the original date, you could technically just capture a screenshot of that image, which is not ideal by any means, but it will only show the latest date and time, which was at the moment of capturing the screenshot. So that is how it could also technically work. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it and make it work. Hit the thumbs up button to let me know about it and subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.